this is Poppy After Midnight. It's April 7, 2019. I uploaded Caffeine and BS a little bit ago. Then I shot these still 20-second videos for going on the end of this one you're watching right now. If anyone's been watching my stuff in the shop and wondering how I managed to almost show you exactly what I'm looking at, almost. Well, here we go. You see how much fun that is for me? If I move, there it is. Yeah, the camera. If I move that down to right here, you know, right between the eyes, I couldn't see what I'm looking at, except the back of this little piece of circuit board. I thought of left, the other left. I thought of a flip down, you know? But then you'd be looking at the ceiling for most of my videos. Now if I had the little camera back here, right? Little camera, little screen the size of this camera, you know, and a tiny little wafer of circuit board between them with the diodes and the rectifiers and all that goodie, you know, and the camera in front, and just a little wire going off for the USB connection, you know. Yeah, I'm not rich, so this is what I got. I gutted a Logitech webcam. It works good, especially since it came out of the free box at a yard sale. Can't beat the price with a stick. And it works good, really. One of these days, maybe I'll get rich and I can go to something like, oh, I don't know, getting a custom pair of glasses made so I can mount a GoPro here, you know. Then I might be, you know, getting close to infringing on Star Trek, so I don't know. Me, I just got the POV cam. Anyway, the couple of 3 short little vids and a handful of JPEGs I'm putting on after this are these. This one goes on the front of the compound. This one here goes on the side of the compound. This one holds flick shaft handpiece and the grinding units go here. This one holds your standard 1/4 inch tool bit. So it sits at center. Yeah, it sits at center. That clamps in the front of the hey, ooh, there it is. That clamps in the front of my compound. Holds that 1/4 inch tool at center. Got the 2 1032 for set screws with a flat point, just the right length. As my tools get worn, crank up a little bit. Then, of course, I'll have to take a little bit off of here, you know, in the future, down the road. I got the hard part taken care of. Drilling and tapping all these holes without scrapping a part, or a tap drill, or a center drill. Do a little bit of, you know, scrub-a-dub-dub hand finishing, you know, before I put it to work. Make it look all nice and pretty before I get it all dirty and crunchy. And of course, this is the one that holds the flex shaft handpiece, so I can cylindrical grind. This holds it. The compound is sitting right on the cross slide, and the headstock and the tailstock aren't on risers, but normal height. This holds my grinding wheels on center. If you can see that angle, there's the other side. This shows a little bit better. There is a 6-degree convergence. Because the compound is set at 84. Okay. I had to turn this hand wheel down and re-knurl it with my pinch knurler. It's just like the one that Micromark sells for their Chinese mini lathes. I thought I was going to have a major time getting it to work on my shear line lathe. Nope. I just took the 8th moon rocker out of my rocker tool post, slipped it in there, clamped it down. Beautiful. You can beat skill, but you can't beat luck. And I got lucked out on picking that pinch knurl. Anyway, those are my POV cam. And the tool blocks. The next is strictly for other YouTube posters. You have a good day out in the shop, right? Nothing goes wrong. You come in, you do your editing, you get all ready, you start uploading, boom. Your internet connection goes to fertilizer. Twice in a row. 2 wagon loads of fertilizer. The batteries die in the camera you're taking the skills, you know, to show off with. I know you've had days like that. Or, if everything post-shooting goes good, it's one of those days where everyone's throwing javelins at you in the shop. And you even throw 1 or 2 up in the air and try and catch them. Ah, I got it! I'm going to go for now. As you're looking at the slideshow, don't think about the Rolling Stones singing Tumbling Dice. I forbid you to think about the Rolling Stones singing Tumbling Dice.